Hey, my name is Dan, and I want to show you something that we're working on. First, a disclaimer, this is obviously our early prototype, so the looks, nothing what we want to do. But basically, we're working on turn-based combat game with mechas or robots, and we want you to be able to create a mecha just like we would create creatures in the game Spore. So just jumping right in, you have things that we call cores, so these nice little balls. They are a mix of AI with power generator that's going to actually power your robot. And as a pilot and engineer, you're going to be creating frames. So the frames is, you think about them like at the backbone of your robot, and they're going to create the overall shape and structure for the robot. So you can just encapsulate one of your cores with that, and each one of these points is a connection point. So you're going to be able to actually create those frames yourself. I'm going to start with something very simple. So I'm going to get this one. It's a nice simple one. And then when you have your core in your frame, you're going to be able to actually create also the blueprints. And the blueprints are very easy to create, and then you can actually just add them to your robot the way you want. So I'm gonna get one, two here. I'm gonna create something pretty standard. So I'm gonna get this big boy in here. As you click, you can actually rotate and you can change the size of everything. I'm gonna get a plum. Oh, put it in the back. Um, put it in here. Oh, come on. Okay, in here. This is a bit small, so I just make it a bit bigger. And you can actually change the pose that is going to be translated in the robot in the combat part of the game. Alright, just a bit. Okay, I'm gonna just put it this side, and then you move here. So I want to give you as much freedom as possible. So as you create those pieces, you're gonna be able to also change color and hue, and then you're gonna actually make them the way you want. And for the back, let me think of something else. I can actually do this in the back. Okay, so this is your basic robot, and um, you can actually create whatever you want. So I'm gonna try to get something slightly different now. Uh, so I'm gonna just remove everything. Okay. All right, so let's start over. Let me see what other pieces I have here. I'm probably gonna use this flag. Okay, just like here. Okay, what do I need? Two legs, right? I can just use one leg for this robot. Instead of thinking from here, I'm gonna get the leg from the back. Okay, this leg might be a bit too big, so I'm gonna just reduce it a bit. Okay, this is good. Um, maybe this nice head over here looks like a Pokemon. I just change the head size. Good. I'm gonna get one nice hand. This wing is way out of place, so I'm gonna just put the same here. Hand comes here. Actually, I can actually put the hand over there and then change the wing to the back. Okay, cool. It's looking good. Gonna get second hand here. Strong guy. So I still have three connections. I'm gonna actually come here and use this as a turret. So I'm gonna have uh, two weapons. on each side. And all pieces that you put in your mecha, they translate into new abilities and new stats for the mecha. So by putting this here, you're gonna get some new stuff to work with. And let me see in front, what should I put here? I'm gonna protect this with just put a shielding here. It's gonna help with HP and all the stuff. Okay, so this is my new creature, and I can actually test how it works. Here we go in idle. How it's gonna be walking. We just want it works okay. It works good. I'm gonna then get this guy. I'm gonna change the name. I'm gonna call this my footsie, and I'm gonna save footsie, and then now I can use it in the combat part. So the combat part of the game is very reminiscent of Final Fantasy Tactics. We really want to create. We love the Final Fantasy Tactics story and how the combat works, and we want something like that. And you're gonna be able to actually mine for things. You're gonna be able to fight enemies, mine metals. The premise of the game is finding those metals and then creating new pieces to actually create your robot. This is all creations from what we already have in the game. Um, but I'm not going to be showing combat this time. I just wanted to show you just a little bit of the customization of the robots. If you like what we are doing, consider joining us on Discord and follow us on Twitter and social media. We're going to be showing much more of this project. We're really excited. So if you think about playing a game like this, let us know. Thank you very much for your time, and yeah, tell us what you think. Bye bye.